Merry Christmas, everybody. This is Brian at Wanderer Arts and Adventures, and I hope all of y'all have had a blessed Christmas and wonderful time today. And we all know the reason for the season. But I just wanted to show y'all a little something I got for Christmas from my father-in-law today. And I don't know, a lot of y'all know that I've been into doing wood burning, and if any of y'all watched and seen me do some backwoods mindsets, new little logo sign, or my friend Van from Van's World, or even Gray Mountain Farms. I did a wood burnt sign for them. But I've been doing it with this little cheap $14 wood burner set that I had. And it was one I think I got at Walmart or something like that. But I just got to show you what I got today. I mean, I'm absolutely in awe. But it's going to be a game changer for me. Hopefully I'll be able to do a lot better and more detailed work. But I got to show you. As y'all know, this is the little wood burner that I've been using. It's a simple little plug-in wood burner, and it's got interchangeable tips that you have to take out and change, and I've got letter and stamps and other stuff for it, but it's got just a temperature control on it, and I mean it's just a simple piece. But this is what my father-in-law sent me today. It's got two different wood burner sticks to it. One is a wire wood burner, and one you got like different tips and all that stuff. And of course it come with the tools, it come with little stenciling and all kinds of stuff, and this power box to control it. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to put all this together here in just a second and show y'all what this thing can do. So y'all just bear with me and I'll be right back. All right, everybody, I am back, and I've got this thing put together, and it's really cool. I didn't realize it come with two wood burners on it, extra tools, all kinds of stuff. It's got different points, a holder, different shade tips. Now this one is kind of like what I was using right here. This is my old one, old $14 wood burner. And as you can see, all it has is just one little control. Pretty cheap little deal, but it's done what I needed it to do. But this one, man, it's got temperature control, everything, two different sides. You got all your wood burning wire points. You got your solid tips. It came with this box of all these solid tips and everything. And of course, for my old set, I had bought lettering. I don't know if you can see there, but I had all that extra stuff, which I have in this box right here. So I've got a huge assortment of wood burning tips now. But I want to try this thing out. I'm letting it heat up right at the moment, but I've got some little ornaments they had on sale, little wood slivers and stuff at Michael's. So I caught these right after Christmas. And I'm just going to do a small little video of, just sampling this thing, see how it works and all that. But this is so neat. My father-in-law sent me this for Christmas. I guess he enjoys watching me do this wood burn. So we're going to try it out. We're going to see what we can do. And of course, you've seen some of my other stuff. This was my logo I did for my Wanderer Arts and Adventures. And it started out as just a regular wood burn, but I went in, added some paint to it, left the natural wood shining through and stuff like that. But it's also got a clear coat resin on it. So I'll be doing some more of these, and I'm all set up, and we're going to get started practicing with this thing. Now, I've never used one of these wire tips before, so I'm going to try this out, and I'm going to attempt to do maybe a little Christmas tree on these things. Because these would make pretty cool ornaments and stuff if you like rustic stuff. So we'll see what we can do with this. And one thing I got to do is, because I'm used to using one tip for everything, I've got to get used to what tip does what. This thing really didn't come with instructions, maybe on just how to set it up. But I don't think I've ever had a wood burner this nice. I mean, you can see the other one's simple. It was on and off switch, and temperature control at the on and off switch. But this one will show you what the temperature is, and I've actually need to turn that one up. And for those of you that don't think you can draw, you got one of these and just some, something, you literally get trace paper if you wanted to, and put you a design on your piece of wood and just learn how to use one of these things, and you can probably make all kinds of cool stuff. And I know a lot of you've seen my videos. A lot of times I'll use time lapse because the little details on some of this stuff, especially when I'm doing big signs and stuff, it can take me up to a couple of days to do these. And I don't think a lot of people realize, I mean, it's, all sped up into a 30-minute video. And a lot of times I'll freehand and I'll draw it out first. I'm just freehanding with the wood burner right now. So just kind of flying by the seat of my pants. But especially if you got to sit down and hand sketch, and sometimes you'll mess up and you get eraser marks, whatever, which that'll buff out. But it just takes a little while. But you got to have patience, be able to want to. But it's something, I think, everybody needs to just kind of sit down sometime, help you get stuff off your mind and help you relax. I love it. It's something that just kind of calms me down. And on these wire tips, I'm kind of scared to press down any harder than what I'm used to with the other tip. Which I'll show you that one real quick, what I'm used to. Now this one's a solid tip, and you can get like some deep burns with it, like as far as, I don't have the temperature up all the way. So I've never ran 2 of these at one time, so I can feel the heat, but it is not up to where it needs to be. There it goes. Well, this tip that I have on this one, I could, like, it's kind of a wedge shape, so I could lay it at an angle and get more width out of my burn. So you get more of a point on this type thing than you do the other. Like I said, right now I'm just practicing. I just wanted to show y'all this new thing, and hopefully I'll get something figured out on it today, as this is high tech for me. Well, I hope all y'all guys had a great Christmas and time with your family and friends and stuff. No, it's a little different for us this past year. You know, my wife had to work, so we really couldn't go anywhere, couldn't go visit family. And, you know, I miss all that, hanging out with everybody. So we spent a pretty good time together. We got each other a few things and had a good dinner yesterday. Also, my wife got me a chisel kit too. I wanted to tell y'all about that. I'll probably be doing a little bit of wood carving pretty soon. Y'all check some of that out. Like I said, I've never done that before. I used to whittle, you know, when I was a kid, but I'm going to try to do some more 2 and 3 dimensional artwork, you know, and see what I can do with that. But I like experimenting with all kinds of stuff. Just anything creative that, you know, I can learn how to do. But anyway, I probably needed a different tip for this, but this is just trying to do a little tree with it. This thing's got all the tips for the wire. And of course, it's got little screws on either side. You can change these out. And you got some for wide, some for just shading, all kinds of stuff. But this whole thing is neat. And I don't know where you got it from. I can't tell you because I've not seen these at Michael's or Walmart or anything like that. But you need to check this out. But I'm going to figure it out. I just wanted to show y'all this quick little video, what I got, and hopefully what I'll be doing pretty soon. And hope you guys have a blessed day. Thank you for watching my channel. Please hit that like, that subscribe, the notification bell so you can see when I post more. And I'm probably going to be doing a lot more wood burning pretty soon. I have to rotate back and forth between actual, paintings and this and that just to not get burned out on it. So anyway, hope y'all have a good day, and we'll see you on the next one.